Hello everyone. In this video, we will demonstrate how to connect Starkey Hearing Aids to Android. We'll take things step by step, and if you need to, feel free to pause the video. Before we get started, be sure to have the My Starkey app already downloaded and installed onto your device from the App Store. First, remove your hearing aids from the charging dock. Then open the My Starkey app. Select OK to continue pairing your hearing aids to this device. Once your hearing aids have been discovered, select Pair. Select Pair to connect your left hearing aid. Select Pair to connect your right hearing aid. Select Allow to permit this application to connect to your hearing devices. Select Continue to finish connecting your hearing devices to this application. You are now connected. If you found this video helpful, leave us a like, a comment, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.